All right. First, we had the Chainsaw Man movie opening theme or the intro theme. Now we got the ending theme as well. This is called Jane Doe. Let's get a reaction going. Shark guy.
私この先の二道ってカフェでバイトしてるの。来てくれたらこのお礼してあげる。
Man, that jazzy chill piano with the percussion beat, it's such a slow vibe, but so good.
私この先の二道ってカフェ
And
で
then
バ
the
イトしてるの。
vocals.
来てくれたらこのお礼してあげる。
レゼとなら学校行きたかったかな。なんか楽しそうだし。
Is it disrespectful for me to say that the voice actors of Denji and Reze are ruining the actual ending theme right now? Now, maybe there's a separate video where we could listen to Jane Doe itself, but this is more of like, you know, like an MV, right? It's like more like a music video, so it shouldn't matter. Uh-oh.
一緒に夜の学校を探検しよう。
I love this ballad. This is great. Man, I love the classic J-pop and the hype songs, but like this is reminding me more of like in K-pop, right? Because I'm Korean. I love Korean ballads more than K-pop music itself, and this sounds like a ballad. You have both, like, who was the singers? Kenshi and who?
一緒に夜の学校を探検しよう。
Kenshi and Hikaru? This is great! It's like a love ballad!
幸せにしてあげる。
なんでレゼがそんなこと。
だって私。
How the fuck did she fly though? Wait. Is she literally like exploding off of her feet to fly? She is. Ow? But what happened? Nah, what happened? It's this, bro. It's this conniving bitch right here. Denji and Reze are chilling, vibing, going on dates and shit. Now they're fighting?
Denji-kun, 本当はね。
Based on the way that she said Denji-kun, there sounds like she wants him to save him. I don't know what I like more, Iris Out or Jane Doe. They're both amazing. Iris Out is fantastic. Jane Doe, the thing that really stands out to me is like, again, the male and the female vocal duet. It's like a love ballad. It is beautiful, but there's like a level of some sort of tragicness behind it that you can tell, right? And the underlying theme is that Denji and Reze, they're not gonna be a couple. They're gonna be fighting and shit, and Makima 100% has some fucking say in this, but the song itself, beautiful.